Fresh off his arraignment in federal court, former President Trump laying out his defense in the court of public opinion. Trump's main argument is the Presidential Records Act gives him the right to possess these documents that, according to the indictment, included information on U.S. nuclear programs and vulnerabilities of the U.S. and its allies to military attack.
Whatever documents the president decides to take with him, he has the right to do so.
Former U.S. Attorney John Fishwick says that'll be a tough argument to win in court because the Presidential Records Act says the legal custody of presidential records are automatically transferred to the archives as soon as the president leaves office.
And certainly all of these documents dealing with, war plans, what the government's going to do as relates to our national security, none of those could ever be viewed as personal papers.
The Presidential Records Act also requires that the president and his staff take all practical steps to file personal records separately from presidential records, something Trump says he did not complete.
I hadn't had a chance to go through all the boxes. It's a long, tedious job.
I'm sure former President Trump's lawyers flinch every time he talks about the specifics of the documents. That comment last night has the potential for the prosecutors to say, well, that's inconsistent with what you did.
Within his party, Trump's arguments appear to be working.
Never before have the two standards of justice in our country been more starkly revealed.
81% of Republicans say politics are driving the case, according to a Reuters Ipsos poll. Florida Congressman Matt Gaetz asking Attorney General Merrick Garland to provide information about any communication he's had with special counsel Jack Smith and details of Smith's staff. Gaetz pointing to campaign finance data showing one of the prosecutors, Karen Gilbert, has given to Democratic causes.
I am concerned about the bias on Jack Smith's team, and that's why I believe it should be defunded.